So hello everyone. So it's been a long time. I have not posted anything on social media and YouTube channel due to some reasons. So I was busy on a stock, so that's why I was not able to upload the videos. But yeah, come back and today we are going to understand like about the Google Core Update, the November 2024. Okay, what is it? And there are a lot of videos on like YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. But the thing is, no one is talking about the actual thing. What is it actually? So this update will start from today, which is 13th of November. Okay, to 25th of November. This is the core updating process time. So in this time, things which you have to keep on your mind. Number one is that if you feel any traffic issues or ranking issues on your website, so don't change your theme and your content in this duration. Okay, at least after 25 days or in the 1st December, if you feel that my website ranking has been decreases, that time you can make some changes on the schema and other things. You can duplicate the content, you can repost the things, you can update the content. Okay, sometimes update also important, so don't do that. Number one. Number two is that the content, now the content which just short and crisp. If you write long articles like a 1,000 words, 2,000 words, because the thing is, old Google search engines, they require, they used to say to us that you have to write a longer content to rank on the Google. Okay, the thing is, now Google Core Update says that if you want to rank on the Google, you have to write the valuable thing in a short manner and in a very simple manner. Okay, so that's the thing. So if you are a new blogger, okay, on Google or any kind of search engines, I'm particular talking about the Google right now. So if you are focusing on the Google search engine and if you want to rank on it, then you have to write the valuable content with the images and the videos and the audios. Okay, and the content length should be short and to the point. Okay, to the point content is most important to rank on a Google. Now, number two. Now, number three is that the content which you will write, try to make some relatable images. Okay, and don't just copy and paste other images and just do that. So don't do that. So try to download some images from the free resources on the Google, or create images through AI. Google right now supporting AI images, but not the AI content. Remember that. Okay, so this is the thing. Number three. Number four is that the content. Okay, so specifically they are focusing on the content because Google want to like, the thing is, Google love to personalize things. Okay, they are just their main motive is to simplify the things, simplify the things, yeah, in a simple word. So so that's all. So these four points you have to keep on your mind about the core update of Google in November 2024. So don't need to watch other videos, I think. So this is clear. So these are important things I have covered which you have to keep on your mind. Other things are like the SEO based content, images, and don't copy others content. These are the common things which has been following from decades. So you don't have to think about it, just the things which has been included in the Google code update page that I have told you right now. So the things actually, in my opinion, Google, Facebook, Instagram, these are the mediums, right? So if your business is only rely on these mediums, then the things and the problems will increase day by day, because they will change their algorithm policies day by day, as YouTube as well. A lot of in big YouTubers, they are also quitting YouTube. There are some reasons, okay, which we will discuss in the next video, why they are quitting YouTubes and all. It's regarding the amount issues, so we'll talk on later. So I would recommend you to build a business by promoting on direct advertisements, like email marketing. These are direct advertisements, or billboard advertising. These are the costly things, I would say, but I think just to rely on the social media platforms to grow your business is not enough nowadays and the future as well, because everybody, like, you are rely on a platform, right? So they will change the policy, you will think a lot, you will be in an overthinking zone and a lot of things, because I have talked with many people. They just panic the things and they change their themes and websites, their content and all. After that, all of the things has messed up, and I think you understand, right? So don't do that. Wait for the update, or wait for the completion of the update, which will be 25th 25th November. Okay, so to wait for that. After that, see if your website is not ranking as it has been ranking on Google. So then you can change the social media post or change the Google post. Otherwise, duplicate the post with the plugin. Okay, then update the date and update some little bit of content in the URL and the permalink. Yeah, I think that's the thing. Okay, so I hope you will like the video. It's a very short video. I will upload tomorrow also. So okay, bye.